hello, welcome back to the channel. So I am starting a new series in this channel, especially for the mobile app developers. So in this series, I will show how React Native developers can use Claude Code to build projects faster and more efficient using AI workflow. So Claude Code, it is of course primarily a CLI tool that generates code with the help of AI. And it's totally up to you. You can use it for just vibe coding, or you can also do agentic engineering with the help of Claude Code. But if you are doing agentic engineering with it, which means you stay in control. You may still generate the vast amount of your code with the help of AI, but you give the AI pretty clear instruction about which rules to follow, which libraries to use, which patterns to use also. You will review the code as well and so on. In this course, I will teach you how you can efficiently use Claude Code. But of course, my main goal is to show you some features you might not use before. And also, I will give you all the tools you need to increase your chances of producing high quality code with AI and Claude Code. So we will start by first diving into the setup, configurations, and some important settings you should be aware of that can easily be missed. And here already you will see some way of using that you might not know even though you have used it in the past already. Thereafter, we will move more deeper into the Claude Code and we will explore all these advanced core features. And of course, it is then up to you whether you want to use them or not, but we will talk about efficient context management, like starting a new session and when to start a new session and how to manage the memory across these sessions. Also, we will dive into building sub-agents, like what they are, when to use them. Then we will dive into agent skills and when you should use those skills and how to build good skills, and all these important things we are going to cover in this course. Then as a part of this course, we will also dive into some more advanced and also kind of niche features. You could say we will explore Claude Code hooks, what they are, how to build them. We will also explore the concept behind plugins as well. And throughout the course, actually, I will share some patterns and some use cases where Claude shines and where certain features of Claude Code can be useful, so that by the end of the course, you will have a good understanding of Claude Code and you can use this knowledge in your future projects. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe for more related content. And if you have any doubt related to the video, then do comment. So happy coding and bye-bye.